We have been talking in class about the order of operations, and we use the acronym PEMDAS to help us with remembering the order. Anytime we are solving a math problem, we are first going to do anything inside parentheses, brackets, or braces first. Then we'll go through and check and do anything with exponents. Next, we will multiply and divide from left to right. And finally, you'll go through and do all of your addition and subtraction, also from left to right. Let's take a look at a couple problems together. If you'd like to try on your own, you can go ahead and pause the video, solve it on your own, and then unpause to watch me go over the answers with you. So let's start first with 8 plus 4 divided by 2. And we're first going to go through and check our steps. The first step is parentheses, and this problem does not have a set of parentheses, so we can go ahead and skip down to step number 2. Step 2 is exponents, and there aren't any exponents in this problem either, so we can go ahead and jump down to multiplication and division. So we're going to search the problem, and we'll go from left to right, and when we get to a multiplication or division sign, we're going to stop. And we first, in this problem, need to do 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and we're going to go ahead and copy the rest of the problem. This leaves us with a simple addition problem of 8 plus 2, which is 10. So our problem, 8 plus 4 divided by 2, is equal to 10. In the second problem, we have 14 minus 6 plus 1 in parentheses times 2. We're going to do the exact same thing and start through looking at each of the steps to check our problem. We first are going to check for parentheses, and in our problem we do have a set of parentheses. We have 6 plus 1, so we're going to go ahead and 6 plus 1 is 7. And we're going to copy the rest of the problem down. There aren't any more parentheses in our problem, so I'm going to go to step 2 and look for any exponents. We do not have any exponents, so we can go ahead and look at step 3, which is multiplication and division. And there is a multiplication problem here. So 7 times 2 is 14, and we're going to copy down the rest of the problem. 14 minus 14 is 0. So 14 minus 6 plus 1 in parentheses times 2 is equal to 0. Finally, we're going to look at this number 3 on here. 48 divided by 8 plus parentheses 5 minus 3. We are going to go through the steps again. We have parentheses as the first step, and we do have a set of parentheses. So we're going to do 5 minus 3 first to get 2, and we're going to copy down the rest of the problem. So we now have 48 divided by 8 plus 2. There aren't any exponents, so we will skip and look at multiplication and division. There is a division problem. So 48 divided by 8 is 6. Copy the rest of the problem, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Remember, if you have questions that you can always ask me during intervention time or at the beginning of class. Hope this helps.